Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco. For today's video is that I'm gonna introduce you to ta-da! It's what you call fruit piling. What? Okay. Okay, another. It's what you call fruit pie filling by UCANBE. So guys, na-discover ko lang siya sa Shopee. And sobra, pagkatingin ko ng review nito, so, doon sa Shopee sobrang ganda. Mas maganda pa doon sa isang, sa Beauty Glaze. Yan. Ito siya guys. Tada! So, we're gonna have swatching and then makeup tutorial using this palette. Okay guys, it has this palette, UCANBE Fruit Pie Filling. It has 30 high impact eyeshadow palette, and then it has battery soft textures that blend seamlessly for vibrant, ultra pigmented, wow, and long lasting finishes. The blinding shimmers, melted metallic and velvety mattes pack a major punch, wow. And it will elevate your senses and offering versatile looks for subtle to vivid. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna do what it promises here. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you guys what's inside. So 1, 2, 3. Yep, there you go. Wow. May nalagay. Okay guys, sobrang ganda ng nitong palette na to, and it has mirror. Wow, sobrang ganda. Oh, so let's do swatching first. Natin to. This is gonna be my favorite pink. Wow, ang ganda guys. Ayan siya. Ayan pa. Sobrang pigmented guys. Nabili ko lang siya for like 300 pesos. What? Yan, sobrang ganda. Wow. Ito yung medyo grape, filbert eyes. Pigmented siya guys, and velvety. Yes, yung mga matte. I'm gonna love the matte here. Guys, let's try other matte. Tangerine. Wow. Ito siya guys. Wow, ang ganda. Yan. Cranberry. Wow. Wow. Naman yung ano. Grabe ako mag-swatch. Okay, try natin yung shiny plum. I'm loving the matte. Ooh. Shiny plum. Wow. This is like Jeffree Star. Sabi rin ng iba nag-reviews like Jeffree Star daw. So this one. Wow. Hindi masasayang ang 300 plus guys nyo. And then chestnut. Ooh. Wow. Super dikit na dikit. Super highly pigmented. Kasi sabi dito, it's high impact, ultra pigmented. Wow. Kaya dapat guys, lagi tayo nag-search for eyeshadow palettes. Wow. So that's haw. And then let's try pawpaw. Pawpaw. Ganda siya guys. So super pigmented. Yung amoy, actually wala siyang amoy. No scent. Compared sa ibang mga Chinese brand, may mga amoy gas. This one, great job. Super ganda. And maganda ng color. And then I saw some eye palette. And magkakaroon ulit tayo ng another video review for that. Okay? And then guys, let's try this color. Their lemonade. Lemonade. Try na natin. Wow. Guys, super pigmented siya. Pero siyang highlighter, the lemonade. Wow. So, naisip ko rin talaga is, pwede rin siya talagang highlighter, yung eyeshadow palette niya. And guys, wala siyang amoy. And then, dew. Wow. Ganda. Diba? And then, try natin sapodilla. Ito. Wow, sobrang ganda. I think this one, pwede siya maging highlighters. Yan, parang bronze. And then this one, yellowish. Right now. Wow. And then this one, melon. Wow. Concealer type siya. Try natin na. Ooh. Ganda oh. Concealer type siya. Wow. Try natin yung milkshake. Nakaka-addict. Tada! Ganda. And then mango. Wow. Hindi siya powdery oh. Guys, hindi siya powdery. And then try natin olive. Olive. Wow. Ganda. Kitang-kita niyo naman guys. Ooh. And then avocado. Wow. Para siyang hair chalk color. Highly pigmented. Wow. Ganda. Let's try naman on our eyes. Okay? First, we're gonna be sticking the tape. So, we'll be putting concealer first.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, alright? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right! Moon, prism, power.
First, we'll be putting peach.
Makeup!
Guys, ang ganda sa mata. Ooh. It's highly pigmented. Wow. Pastel color. And then under eyes. Same color, peach. Next would be wax apple. Wow. Not powdery guys, sobrang pigmented. Wow, loving the matte. Love this palette too. And let's try cranberry. Lemonade. And then let's dub it with sugarcane. Better.
Strange things are happening in this city.
Wow.
Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
It's better if you use your fingertips if you're using this. So I'm using lemonade. Okay, for sugarcane under eyes. More of this cranberry. Let's dub it with grape so we can try their colors. Ta-da! So pigmented, and guys, it's like a high-end product. Hindi siya powdery and it's not smelly, like it doesn't smell gas, no scent at all. Wow. So this time we're gonna eyeliner. We're gonna eyeliner. Gonna apply eyeliner.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just
try to add more lemonade. So, hindi ako satisfied. Kailangan. So, it's better to use the lemonade, the highlighter looking palette. Yan. Lemonade, melon, sugarcane. Yan. It can be, you can use your fingertips. It's better. It's better to use your fingertips.
repeat the words I'm about to say, alright? Moon, prism, power, makeup! Right! Moon, prism, power, makeup!
So let's remove the tape. Looking good. Don't forget the eyebrow. Guys, don't forget to put concealer under your eyebrows so that it'll be more defined. I'm using NYX brush for concealer brush. Of course, guys, don't forget to put some contour. To set your eyebrows, you need to have eyebrow gel. Put some mascara.
Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on.
Or the
dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
False eyelashes, guys. Favorite highlighter. Choco chips as a contour for our nose. Lipstick. Setting spray.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, alright? Moon, prism, power, makeup! Right! Moon, prism, power, makeup! Even the police can't handle what's going on. A dangerous enemy has appeared. You're the only one who can defeat this enemy. You're the guardian that's been chosen for this mission.
So that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, if it inspires you guys, so the UCANBE eyeshadow palette. Sorry guys, na-lowbat yung camera ko. And I'm using my iPhone 11. Guys, if you haven't watched my iPhone 11 unboxing, please do watch it, guys. And yes, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe, comment down below. And then if you do like this video, like it. And also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my latest video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. And don't forget to stay calm, safe, and have a good vibe, guys.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup.
The fruit pie filling. I don't have a picture.
Strange things are happening in this city. Even the police can't handle what's going on.